How you guys doing? T-Chang here.
Charles.
We're from HMSA. This is our first video log. We're going to try to let you all know what's going on and what's coming up. So a lot of you know that this Friday HMSA is having another workshop in Fraser Hall, room 101 from 4:30 to 6 p.m. This one is called Beyond Belief, and it's about Hmong superstitions, what they are, what they'll do to you, and what you can do to avoid them, or what you shouldn't do. We'll have free food for all of you, so we encourage you to come and check it out, learn more about Hmong superstitions. And then right afterwards, ASU is having their Light Up the Night event from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in front of Kaufman in the front plaza, so you should definitely check that out also. It'll be exciting. Alright, so next week on Friday, October 25th from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the Comstock Ballroom, HMSA will be having their Hmong-loween. We'll be having a lot of events for all of you. We'll be having a maze. We'll be having various activities for all of you, some related to the Hmong culture. Some will be scary, so be prepared. We'll also be having a costume contest, one for the most creative, the most scariest, is that it right? Most scariest?
Yes.
And the best couple. The event is free for everyone, so we encourage you all to come.
Alright, now the night following after our Hmong-loween event, we'll be having a volunteer event over in Valley Scare. Basically, it's on October 26th from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. It's at night, but it's Halloween. Everything happens at night. Now, the deadline for signing up to help us volunteer will be October 24th. So we encourage you guys to highly volunteer with us because it's a great experience and you get to go Valley Scare. Finally, Heritage Day. Woo! We're all looking forward to that. This year it's going to be happening 2 days. November 15th and the 16th, which is a Friday and a Saturday. Our story is going to revolve around a young man named Hmong who's very ignorant to the Hmong culture, but one day wakes up to experience how the Hmong culture and the Hmong people live back in Laos. We're still looking for volunteer and people for backstage crew, so if you're interested, please let us know.
If you're interested, send me an email at yang2218@umn.edu. We'd love to have more volunteers and backstage crew, the more the merrier.
See you then.